All right, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with this tutorial. So only things you need is you need something to put your wig in. This is the only thing I could find at the time. This would be perfect for like bundles. I think it's the perfect size for bundles, but whatever you have, you can use a big bowl, you can use something like this, just anything that you can put water in and you're okay with putting dye in. So you need that, and I have a mixture of hot tap water and some boiling water, but just hot tap water will work just fine. Then you need your colors of dye. So I'm gonna mix these two up today. So I have the magenta 88 and I have the burgundy bliss. So I knew I wanted red, but I didn't want just like red. So I picked these two. I think this will make a nice little color combo. And then of course you need your wig. So this is a wig that I previously had that was black and I had just dyed it blonde. So we're gonna use that today. And that's really all you need. Dye and some water, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this is about to take 5 minutes. Okay, we're about to turn this baby into another color. So all you do is you just take your dye and you're just gonna put it in the hot water. And like I said, y'all, I haven't even done this yet. So we are doing this, y'all are doing this with me. I have no idea what color we're gonna do or what it's gonna come out to. So this should be interesting. And normally you would put the whole bottle of each color. Move this out the way. So you just want to mix it up really good. You don't want any of those chunks in there. You want to get all those chunks out because then it'll make like blotches on your wig and we don't want that. You want a nice uniform color. And you could do like a test strip, and that's probably what I'm going to do. Maybe if I can find a piece of that hair to cut just so we can see. Or better yet, what you should use is a napkin. Marcus! Bring me a napkin, a piece of paper towel. So that's the best way to test it, so you can see what your color is going to be. So while I get my napkin, y'all see, I'm telling you, my water is hot and steaming. It is not necessary for your water to be this freaking hot, okay? I was just doing the most like I always do. Wow, I did not need all of this. I said a piece. Put that back, please. Thank you. All right, so I'm going to cut this just in case I need a, why am I cutting a paper towel, y'all, when I can just rip it? Yo, I'm telling you, I'm so extra. Okay, so we're just going to dip this into our water so we can see what the color is going to be like. See, that's way too pink for me. Definitely not what I was going for. So we're going to trash that. And I'm going to put more burgundy. I'm probably just going to put the whole, oh my gosh. Y'all be careful because I just spilled. Thank goodness this is an old dingy table. All right, so I'm going to mix that up. I think that magenta is what has it pink. And I mean, I'm not mad at pink. I don't want it to be just one uniform color. I kind of want it to be like dimensional, if that makes any sense. So I want the red to have a little bit of dimension. But I just love burgundy and like red colors for the fall. I think they're absolutely the best color for fall. So I just want to make sure all that is mixed up really good. Alright, and this time we're going to rip a piece off because extra as hell to be cutting a piece of paper towel. Okay, that is definitely darker. That's definitely darker. Okay. So this was the first one, and I can see the second. First one's here. So this is, as you see, so this was my first test piece, and this is my second test piece. So it's definitely, hopefully you can tell it's darker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the whole entire bottle of the Burgundy Bliss in here, because I know I do want it darker. So just put the whole freaking bottle in. Still more. I want every little bit of that dye. Okay. So we're going to mix it one more time. Really good. I am going to put just a squeeze of magenta in there because I can't help myself. All right, y'all, and then we're going to dye it, and we're just going to, whatever color we come out with, but I know this is a good color. I know what I like. So it's all about preference. You know, sometimes, you know, especially if you're mixing colors, it's all about preference. If you're just using one color, then, you know, of course, you just pour the whole thing on there. But you just do it for what you like. There's no, what I love about this is there's no right or wrong. It's all about what you like and what you want for your freaking hair. Sorry. All right, so that is good enough for me. I know I'm happy with it. I'm just trying to make sure that I don't have no chunks. And it's kind of hard because I cannot see because the color is so dark. So, all right, y'all, we are ready to dye it. So all you're going to do is you're going to take your hair. So again, this is the hair that I'm using. It was originally black, and I went ahead and lifted it to this color. And now I'm going to just, it's super easy, I'm telling you. 5 minutes. Just put it on the bed, Marcus. You're just going to dunk the whole entire thing in there. Ooh, it's hot, y'all. It's hot. So your water does not need to be this hot. And what I'm going to do is take my spoon and I'm going to swish the hair in there because I want to make sure every single strand gets dye on it. Okay, I don't want to miss anything. Don't worry about your lace. It's not going to stain your lace. So that's another reason why I love this method. Okay. It will wash off your lace, I promise. All right, so that is the color that we have. And I absolutely love it. And I really don't even need to sit it in here any longer. Y'all, I did that live time. I didn't fast forward or anything. That hair had to be in there for less than a minute. And it is completely freaking dyed. So I'm just going to take a look and make sure I got the dye everywhere that I wanted. Make sure there's no spots that don't have any dye on it. We're looking good, ladies. We are looking good. Yeah, we're good. So this is the color. So I'm going to go wash her out. And then I will be back after I've washed it and blow dried it to show you guys what the final product looks like. Again, super easy way to dye your hair any freaking color. It's so much better than the other option. I wish I could just keep this. And all you do is just throw this away. Or if you have more bundles, you continue the same process for dyeing your other bundles. Yes, this is perfect. So I will be back, guys. What is up, y'all? I am finally back. And this is the color. What do you guys think? I absolutely love it. I think it came out just how I wanted it. Like exactly what I wanted. It's not just one color. It's definitely has some dimensions to it. And I see the burgundy, I see the magenta. Like I absolutely love this method. I love this color. As y'all saw, I gotta stop making so much noise. As y'all saw in the previous clip, it took me literally a few minutes just to dye the unit. Okay, super quick. You dunk it in, you lift it out. You could do this, like I said, for your bundles if you'd like. Just be cognizant, if the more hair that you're using, the more that color is going to, your hair is going to soak up that color. So you might have to put, you know, more dye in if you're doing like 3 or 4 bundles in a frontal. I would definitely recommend putting, like, if you have 3 bundles, putting all 3 bundles in the water at once. That's what I would do. That way you can get, you know, the most of your product and you don't have to like keep redoing it. I wouldn't do 1 bundle at a time. So just dump all your freaking bundles in there, okay? Other than that, there's really nothing else to say except for I absolutely love this. I think it came out, like I said, great. And I know it's also like it's darker here and lighter and stuff. And that's also because of the way that it was previously dyed. As you saw in the clip, I had already bleached that hair and it was already like multi-dimensional kind of blonde and brown. So I knew that that's how this was gonna work, and that's exactly what I wanted. So yeah, I think this is so pretty for fall. I just used my flat iron and just put a few bumps in it really quick so I can come on the video. I will say that surprisingly, my lace did stain a little bit, but usually that does not happen, and it's not staining to where like my lace is not dyed. So don't get afraid. Your frontal is not going to be green or blue or whatever color you decide to dye your hair when you do this. But I did notice that like in the parting space and all back here, it did not stain at all. It only stained in certain areas, and I think those are the areas that I had product on this wig because I've worn it before, and I didn't wash the wig before I did it. I just dumped it in there for the sake of the video. So just make sure that your hair is clean, your frontal is clean. So I would do this like soon as you get your bundles and frontal out the package, go ahead and dye it. And you'll be fine. You can look at other videos of other YouTubers who do this method, and you'll see doing purple, lime green, blues, so many different colors, their frontal and their laces did not stain. So just be cognizant of that. Make sure all your product is clean when you go ahead and do this. Other than that, I don't really have anything else to say, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, it's a super quick and easy way to dye your hair. No more box dye. No more sitting there all that time painting the hair. Just dunk it in the water and you good, boo. So this is how I will be dyeing all my hair in the future, okay? I absolutely love it. And yeah, it came out exactly how I want it, guys. And I'm ready to slay this wig for the fall. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please make sure you like the video if you liked it, which I hope you did. And give me a big thumbs up. And leave any comments below if you'd like to see me try another color, if you want to see me try on wigs, if you just have an idea that you want to see on my channel, let me know, and I got you, Bella Gang, okay? I got you, okay? Because we're a family here, okay? So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope to see you guys next time. Until then, bye, Bella Gang.